Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I will be showing you guys how to change text to uppercase in Photoshop. So what you need to do is just go to your left side and then get your text, and then you can just type anything in here. And then what you need to do is just double click and then go to your properties. In here you will see the type options. All you gotta do is just click on the all caps icon in here, and then as you guys can see, now our text is all uppercase. And then if you just type another one, it's gonna be uppercase again, as you guys can see. So right now my caps are not turned on, but it's gonna be all caps again. So this is how to change text to uppercase in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful. See you guys in the next video.